Gifts to make a noise about this Christmas from Real Deals for You.
Safety. Safety in the home, safety in the workplace, safety in your caravan, safety in your boat. You need to be safe. And what do you need to be safe? Especially around fires or CO, you need alarms. Kidde have the ideal pack for you. It's a 3-piece pack. You have 2 micro smoke alarms and 1 carbon monoxide alarm. Carbon monoxide, particularly important where you have anything to do with gas fires, gas cooking, etc. Carbon monoxide is a killer. You can't see it, you can't smell it. Everybody should have one of these in their home. Absolutely really important. Also, smoke alarms. Kids go off to university, move house, people move house, forget to put them in because they don't think it's important. It's really important, safety. These really neat smoke alarms, test button. So you know it's working, easy to fit, literally. Place the bracket on the ceiling, wherever you need it, kitchen, stairs, always good to have one upstairs and one downstairs. Runs on a 9-volt battery, has a battery alarm, tells you when the battery's getting low. Pop that on, literally, line the holes up, screw it on, and it's safe. This 3-piece pack gives you everything you need for the home, the caravan, when you're going abroad, everywhere. I suggest you get a pack, keep yourself safe. Kidde. Visit realdealsforyou.com to find your nearest stockist.